Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix TikTok app is not working, whether it's showing network errors, getting stuck on the loading screen, or not loading videos, and what you can do to fix it. So if TikTok isn't working properly on your phone, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it back off. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger the network errors. Now, find and long press on the TikTok app icon. Tap the I App Info button. From here, tap Force Stop to make sure the app is fully closed. Next, let's clear out any corrupted files. In the same App Info menu, tap on Storage. First, tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. It just resets the app's saved files on your phone and removes anything that might be causing conflicts. If you're on iPhone, the easiest way is to delete the app and reinstall it fresh from the App Store. Next, open the Play Store on your phone. Now tap on the search bar and type TikTok. Open the TikTok app page and check if there's an update button. If yes, tap on it and update the app. This often fixes bugs and glitches automatically. Once the update is done, open the TikTok app again and test if everything is working normally. If your app is already up to date and TikTok still isn't working, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the app. So long press on the TikTok app icon, tap Uninstall and confirm. Once the app is removed, restart your phone. Then open the Play Store or App Store again, search for TikTok and install it fresh. This clears corrupted files and gives you a clean version of the app, which fixes most loading and network problems. If TikTok is still not working after reinstalling, this usually means there's a server-side issue. When TikTok's servers are down or under heavy traffic, many users experience the same problem at the same time. In this case, there's nothing wrong with your phone or internet. You just need to wait for some time and try again later. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can fix TikTok network errors, loading issues, and app glitches quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.